The name of our project for this innovation competition is Filtration-Based Greywater Recycling System. The main purpose of our project is to filter greywater and obtain recycled greywater to water plants. According to the United Nations World Water Report 2021, 2.3 billion people live in water-stressed countries, of which 733 million live in high and critically water-stressed countries. Today, 1.42 billion people, including 450 million children, live in areas of high and extremely high water vulnerability. 5 out of 11 regions have water stress values above 25%, including 2 regions with high water stress and 1 with extreme water stress.
We have come up with the first ever greywater recycling system that utilizes wastewater coming from washing machines in households, known as the greywater, to water plants. The recycled greywater can be channeled to a crop or garden irrigation system. Our greywater recycling system is more effective than the existing ones, particularly for crops and plants. The recycled greywater obtained is actually a source of nitrogen and phosphorus for plants. All the user has to do is use a biodegradable detergent to obtain these plant nutrients. Hence, an NPK, nitrogen, phosphorus, and sodium, and also a pH indicator has been incorporated into our greywater recycling system besides having the water filters. The NPK indicator would let the user know the amount of nutrients contributed by the recycled greywater, which will help to ensure an accurate administration of plant nutrients. Meanwhile, the pH indicator is to check if the pH of the recycled greywater is suitable for plants. Additionally, the UV filtration guarantees the safety of the user by eliminating the risk of contracting any diseases if the greywater contains any disease-carrying pathogens.
Here is a descriptive diagram of our prototype. The greywater system invention is made out of several equipment such as storage tanks, water pumps, media filters, valves and sprinklers, which are connected by PVC pipes with diameters of 15 mm to 20 mm. Water flushed out of the washing machine is channeled into pump 1 and filtered by filter 1 and filter 2. The filter plays an important role to prevent solid particles from entering the storage tank and prevent residue accumulation at the base of the storage tank. A UV filtration system is connected to remove pathogens from the grey water before entering the storage tank. An NPK and pH balance indicator will be infused to the pipe. Water is then channeled into pump 2 in the storage tank where it will pump the water to the main pipes.
This filtration-based greywater system, FGS, has commercial potential and advantages in saving the environment and economy. The implementation of FGS into domestic households will largely contribute to more water saving. The FGS can be used as a better substitute to the conventional water system by being used in toilet flushing, cooling the rooftop, cleaning drainage, watering plants, and irrigation. Nevertheless, this system has some implementation limitations. Firstly, if water usage areas such as bathroom, kitchen, rooftop, and lawn are dispersed throughout the household, the cost of pipelines configuration will be significantly increased and the payback benefits will be reduced, thus affecting investments. Secondly, the users need to use eco-friendly detergents to avoid the adverse effects on plants. Those limitations can be improved by carrying out the project in a smaller scale. Hence, this innovation can be implemented in space-limited households such as flats and condominiums. About the cost, it is possible to lower the cost by making minor changes to the materials used in innovation. For example, the PVC pipes can be substituted with other low-cost pipes as long as the cleanliness of the water is preserved.
Let's look at the usefulness of our project. The filtration-based greywater system has the potential to benefit the people and to save the environment plus economy. First, our project helps to prevent water wastage. In Malaysia, around 70 to 150 litre of water is being wasted after each wash using the washing machine. By using our innovation, much water can be conserved. The grey water can be filtered and treated for the consumption of people. Thus, high water supply demand for the increased population can be met. Need for fresh water can be reduced when our project is used to recycle the grey water. Indirectly, the household water bills for the people can be reduced. This perfectly illustrates that money can be saved. Although installing grey water recycling system will require an initial investment, it really cuts our water bill into half. This system may be a hindrance to sell our house as people nowadays are unfamiliar with the methodology of the system. As the time goes, a home fitted with this system would be a better option with a higher market value. People can live more sustainably and save money at the same time.
Now, let's look at the environmental friendly aspect of our project. The grey water contains less pathogens than domestic wastewater such as black water. Thus, it is generally safer and easier to treat for flushing, landscape, and crop irrigation. Using a grey water system requires a few changes in how you use your water, and those changes can bring an overall benefit to both you and the environment. Eco-friendly detergent is completely biodegradable, safe, natural, and it contains a small amount of nitrogen, phosphorus, which can act as crop irrigation and fertilizers. Grey water contains phosphorus and nitrogen, which provides good food supply for plants. Since the detergent is being recycled along with grey water, it also doesn't lead to eutrophication. For instance, if you're using recycled grey water to water your lawn, you'll want to stay away from harmful chemical products, which could probably decrease the health of your garden or cause salt to build up in your filtration system, which would then require maintenance. Grey water recyclers use non-toxic soaps and cleaning products, which cause fewer toxic substances to enter the sewage treatment facilities. On top of that, recycled grey water helps plants to grow healthier as it contains nutrients such as phosphorus and nitrogen. If the grey water is not recycled, all those nutrients will have to go to waste.